In this STFULFILL tutorial, we will explain why some synced store order cannot be paid in the STFULFILL system, even after product quotations are complete and your store orders have been synced successfully. You will learn why the product's cost may show as zero, why the pay button may not appear, and how to manually associate your store SKUs with the correct STFULFILL SKUs. This situation may happen when you have already received product quotations, connect your online store, and your store orders have successfully synced into STFULFILL. But you still cannot pay for these orders. When your synced order appears like this, you may see the product cost zero, and the right side shows ask for quote instead of pay button. This means your store SKU is not associated with the correct STFULFILL SKU. In other words, STFULFILL can identify which quoted products correspond to the SKU coming from your online store. This usually happens because you did not use method 1 or method 2 from the Request a Quote guide. Only these two quotation methods can automatically associate your store SKU with the STFULFILL SKU. If you use other quotation approaches, such as submitting a product link or uploading product images, the system cannot automatically match the quotes products with your store products. As a result, the order cannot be priced or paid till the SKUs are manually associated. Next, we will show you how to manually associate your store SKUs with STFULFILL SKUs step by step. First, go to the sourcing page. Then, click the quotation tab. Next, select the quoted section. Find the quoted products that you want to associate with your store products and click the shipping price button. On the products detail page, choose the correct products variant such as color, size. After selecting the correct variant, the STFULFILL SKU will appear under the product's title. Copy this STFULFILL SKU. Please make sure you copy the SKU for the correct variant. If the product has different colors, size, or styles, each variant may have a different SKU. To make the next step easier, we recommend opening a new browser tab before continue. Now go to the products page. Click My Store Products. Please note, if your online store product list does not appear on this page, please check whether your store has been correctly connected to STFULFILL. To check this, go back to the store management and see whether the status of the corresponding store shows a green check. After confirming that your online store is connected correctly, return to the page we are just on. Click the Import Store Products button on the top right corner. Select the corresponding online store and click Confirm. After waiting a few seconds, your online store products list should appear. Okay, now find the matching product from your store. Then click Associate Products. On the Association page, you will see the variants from your store products. Find the store products variant that correspond to STFULFILL products you are associating, then click Select. A pop-up window will appear past the STFULFILL SKU you copied earlier into the search bar. Click Search. The system will search for the matching STFULFILL products SKU. When the correct STFULFILL products appear in the search result, check the product's image, product's name, variant, color, size, and SKU carefully. After confirming that this is the correct product, select it and click Confirm. Now, the store SKU has been successfully associated with the corresponding STFULFILL SKU. If the product has multiple variants, such as different colors, size, or styles, you need to repeat the same process for all remaining variants. Please make sure every SKU from your store is correct, matched with the corresponding STFULFILL SKU. This step is very important. If the SKUs are matched incorrectly, the wrong products may be shipped to your customer. Once all SKUs are correctly associated, return to the orders page. Now, the product's cost will display normally and the pay button will appear. Before making the payment, please make sure you select a shipping route. If no shipping route is selected, the order cannot be paid. After selecting the shipping route, you can click Pay to complete the payment. STFULFILL will take care of fulfillment and shipping as usual. To summarize, if your synced store order cannot be paid and the product costs $0, while the system shows Ask for quote instead of Pay, it usually means your store SKU is not associated with the correct STFULFILL SKU. To fix this, go to the quoted product's shipping price page, copy the correct STFULFILL SKU, open My Store Products, select the matching store products, search for the STFULFILL SKU, and confirm the association. If the product has multiple variants, repeat the process until every store SKU is connected with the correct STFULFILL SKU. After that, return to the orders page, selecting a shipping route and process with payment. If you need to top up your STFULFILL account before payment, please watch our tutorial, How to Top Up Your STFULFILL Account. If you have any questions, please contact your dedicated STFULFILL account manager. Thank you for watching.